Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 13 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the second floor, and then we added some furniture, and then we started the washroom or the ensuite for both of those, for the three of this rooms. So one of them with ensuite, and then the other one is shared between these rooms. So now, if we go to 3D, if you notice that this is actually with the top offset and then with the base offset. So to do this instantly, I would like you to just select everything and go to filter, check none, and then just select the walls. And then with this, we'll be able to just put in 0 on those so that it doesn't, so it's all the way to the proper height. It doesn't have base or offset, top offset anymore. So that's good with that. Next thing is I want to add on all of this. I want to show the section right now, so VG for that, and then go to annotation, and then we did uncheck the section. That's why it's not showing anymore. So click on S so that you go to the S columns now, and then here I'm going to flip this and then check how this one looks. But before that, I'm going to click component, model in place, and then generic model. And then here, I'm going to create an extrusion, and it will be around 300. And then change this to a wood material. I'm gonna flip one of this, and then 36C is what I chose, and then we're going to add this one right here. Click finish, go to section so that we could see it, and then here we're gonna flip it. So in this section, I'm gonna click on finish first so that we could stretch this one. And then I'm going to add this one all the way to the top of that. And then here, I'm going to add it on this part. Remove the constraint. And then we could maybe add one more. And then from here, we could just, so actually, it's easier to just add, so don't worry about that. We're just going to add another one, edit in place, and then create extrusion 36C, then just add one more, and then go to section, and then just raise it. So we have some shelvings here, but it's all floating. And then, of course, we need to create void on this. So let's do a void extrusion. We need to set this one, pick a plane, and then we're going to select this plane right here. And then we need to void this extrusion right here, and then void here as well. And you want to make sure that you're over the lining so that it shows much better. And then here, go up, and then cut geometry, and then go to 3D. And as you can see, everything looks good right there. And then we need to add a little bit more. So I'm going to add background here. So this one is still ongoing. So extrusion, pick a plane, and then we're gonna select this wall right here, and all this wall I want to change the material, so something stone again. So I'm gonna copy or duplicate the marble, and then here I just need to make this one 2800 because of the roof. So we have marble there. I'm also going to add another extrusion and then select this wall right here, and then for the mirror, and then pull it up, something like this. And then this one should be just 5, and then this one I need to double check that one. This is mirror, and then click OK, and then click finish, and then this should be just 5 as well, not too much on that. So now everything is looking good. Click finish just to see how it looks. So it's flat there at the back. We have mirror, and then of course the light. So I'm going to add that one as well. So create, sweep, pick path. We're gonna select this path right here. Click finish, and then edit. Let's check this one. I'm going to create right there 5 and then 5, and then for the material, luminance is good, and then click finish and then finish. So we have that light there, so that's good. And then if we check, I'm not sure if we have some fixtures for the plumbing equipment. We don't need water heater, so let's check if we have that one. We don't need water heater. MEP fixture. We have some showers here, dishwasher, this one is not. The showers, only the casing but not the whole thing. So it looks like we don't have those shower heads, so that's fine. That's something that we could just do later on. So we have this one right here. So I believe we're good with this. I want to add the shower instead of that. So go to plumbing, MEP, fixtures, showers. We have this one right here, rectangular shower, CM. There we go. And then we could just make it bigger. edit, duplicate, 1680, and then there you go. At least you have the proper one, and then you can make it bigger if you want. So that's looking good right there. As you can see, you have the shower right there. Okay, so let's go back here, and I want to do the same thing on this side. So I'm gonna put this one on this side right now, and then flip it, and then double click. We have the bathtub right here, and then if we go on to level 2 again, model in place, generic model. I'm going to create an extrusion, and then we're going to add it here. Okay, and then change the material. Goulam 36C is the same thing that we use on the other one. I'm gonna put it on 300 for now. Click finish, and then pull it up. So just align it, AL, align it at the top, and then pull it up, and then create another one. And then finish, and then pull it up again. Something like that. So everything is consistent. And then now, what we can do is we could create a void. So void extrusion, set it, pick a plane, and then select this one right here. And then similar to the other one, we need to create a larger piece of extrusion right here. Go to section so that you can see it, and then pull it back, cut geometry, and then click finish. There we go. And then let's make this one nice. I want to just paint this wall because we have a door right here. So I'm gonna paint this to something that we haven't used. I'm gonna use this one instead. So I have this one painted at the back, and then we could add in a mirror. Edit, create extrusion, pick a plane, select this wall right here, and then change this one to 5, and then mirror. Select here, okay, and then we're going to add this mirror right here. Click finish, and then sweep, pick path, and then selecting this path right here. Click finish, go to 3D, edit profile, and then we're going to use this rectangle, and then we need to put this one to 5, and then this one to 5 as well. Click finish, finish, and then it's luminaires already, so that's perfect. And then click finish on that. So we created that one as well. and that looks good. And then let's not forget to add our floor right here. So what I'm gonna do is go to architecture, click on floor, and then we have 200mm floor. We're going to edit this one. This one is limestone, and then let's duplicate this one. We could put it the second floor, and then edit. Let's change the material to gypsum wallboard, and then we could duplicate this one. And then we need to pick line. If you want, you can change the materials now on this side. So actually here, we don't need it. I'm gonna pick line right here from the wall. And then trim and extend. And then trim and extend right here. Click finish, don't attach, and then you can see now we have a floor, but it's a good idea to change the material right now. So let's select this one, and then we need to split face this one right here so that we could change the material for the washroom here. So click finish and then split face again for this material right here. So now once we click on paint, I'm gonna put sash, a soft lumber for the regulars, so on the floor, but right here and there we need to select a different material. Most of the time it's so here we can even change this to oak so that you can see much better. And then here we need a stone material. So for now I'm gonna put earth so that it differs, and then maybe carpet on this one so that we can distinguish it in Twinmotion. So that's what I'm planning to do right there. So that's good. That's looking good. So here, if this one is showing like that, and then this one, what you need to do is to attach that on base and then select that. So now it disappeared there. So similar to here, attach top base and then select this floor right there so it doesn't go over that. And then here as well, if you notice, There we go. So now everything is looking good. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.